Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to the Do Now. Here's number one. We need to find an adjusting connectable strap right here to make the triangle. What is not a possible length? A, B, C, or D? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. So, first stipulation here is that X is the biggest side right there. So if X is the biggest side, we know that we have to add the two smaller sides. And that must be bigger than the largest side, or the biggest side, like that. So that's one thing. So you got 12 plus 19.5. So you got 12 plus 19.5, which is 31 and a half. 31.5 is bigger than X. There we go. Or if you want to reverse it here, remember, X is, see Pac-Man eating the 31.5. 31.5 because X is more comfortable there on the left side. There we go. Also, what else could be the biggest? Stipulation 2, right? This 19.5 could be the biggest side. And this can't be the biggest side because that's already the biggest side. So, I mean, these are the two smaller ones. So, X plus 12 must be bigger than 19 and a half. So, solve for X, subtract 12, or 12.0, right? So, this is 5, bring down the decimal, 7 and a half. There we go. So, X has to be bigger than 7 and a half, but less than 31 and a half. So, I'm going to turn this one around right here. So 7.5, see how Pac-Man's eating the X, so I've been eating the X, and then let's bring this down like this, which is less than 31.5, Pac-Man eating the bigger man. So anything between 7.5 and 31.5 is good. So which one's outside that range? The 7. 7 is not between 7.5 and 31.5. 7 is outside that range, so A is the answer. There we go. Okay, next one. Here it is. Boom. Okay, so what is the concluding statement? Copy this down, mark up the picture with the congruent stuff. That's my hint. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So I got my picture right here, ready to write down what we have. Okay, so where's my first? So angle ADB is congruent to angle CDB. Why? Alternate interior angle theorem. Okay. So ADB and CDB. Okay. Sorry, CBD. So ADB, boom, I'm marking on my picture, and CBD, marking on my picture like this. So it should look like this. So here's the first thing, mark and mark. All right, what else do I see? Angle ABD is congruent to angle CDB, alternate interior angles also. Okay, so there it is. So ABD, and CDB like this. So I'm putting two marks because it's not the same as the one mark. Okay, so I got angle and angle, angle. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, DB is congruent to DB, reflexive property of congruence. Okay, reflexive property. So I'll put So it looks like I have this triangle and this triangle congruent. So that is angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. There we go. So that's why they are congruent. So the answer is B. There we go. If you didn't get one, that's okay because, here's another one. So follow the instructions of what I just did. Copy it down, mark it up. What do you got for step number 4, reason 4? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. Okay, first thing I see in congruence. AB is congruent to BC. Why? Because it's given. Okay, it's given. AB is congruent to BC. Oh, sorry, I messed this one up. It should be right here. BC. Right here. C is right here, my bad. Okay, so those are given. What else does it have? I don't even know. AD is congruent to CD, definition of a midpoint. So AD is congruent to CD, distance from midpoint. Midpoint is right in between the two sides, equal distance from the two endpoints, right? Cool. What else does it say? BD is congruent to BD. Why? Reflexive property. Okay, mark it up. Whoop. Okay, why are the two triangles congruent? ADB, ADB, and CBD. Why are they? Let's see. So I got side, 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 side. Yeah, this is a side, side, side. There are no angles involved. There we go. Answer is D. Nice job, everybody.